morning, everybody. On my way to work, and I'm taking the train for the first time. God, no go shame us. So I've been here for a good 15 minutes, and the train is warming up. So I've confirmed where I'm supposed to stay, and I'm at the right place. Hopefully, train will be jamming there, because I don't know what I'm going to do if I'm late. But anyways, guys, this is my view. I'll let you know when I'm in the train. I already bought my ticket online, so saved me one headache. Should be time to board Central. Alright, the lights are coming on. Country with the walk. You know, I just saw one of the what's it called? I just saw one of the guys train station, you know. I just saw one of them check all the doors to see that they are working properly. He just checked all the doors to see that they are working properly, and then now he's just going to open the door for people to enter. So if there was any fault or anything that was wrong with the train, we not go board. Safety first. It is swear. It's 6:14 now. We should have taken off. So I don't know what's going on. People are looking on with apprehension. The doors haven't opened yet. We swear I shall not be late today. Thank you. Thank you. We're in now. It's a very scanty ride this morning. I'll see you when it's time to get off the train, okay? And so the next stop is mine. I've got all my kaya ready to get off as soon as it's time. My ticket has just been scanned and I'm ready to get off the train like in minutes. The train is literally pulling off. The train is literally coming to a stop right now, and this is my stop. Alright guys, so a huge shout out to Proscenic for sponsoring this segment of the video. They have reached out to me a couple of weeks ago, and we have decided to collaborate and to just show you all of the amazing features of their i10 cordless vacuum. This is such an amazing product. I have tested it out for myself, and I'll also be showing you some of the amazing functions that it has later on in the video. These are just the bits that come in the box, and I'll be showing you how to couple them in a second, and also how to care for your vacuum later on in the video. Alright, just a quick look at the manual. It's really straightforward to assemble. All you have to do is just couple all of the bits together, make them align, and listen out for the click sound, just to make sure that everything is where it should be. Another amazing function is the touch screen and the push button for the power. It also displays the level of the battery, and there are a couple of settings for how high or low you want your vacuum to be. Now we're just testing out this product, and throughout this video I will be using the lowest setting, and I will be showing you all of the amazing things that this vacuum can pick up on the lowest setting. We're not even going to get to the highest setting. This is just a test run, and look at all of the amazing bits it has picked up. We're starting off with rice, because this is one of the things I find mostly in my vacuum canister, and look at that. In one sweep this vacuum has picked up all those grains of rice in one sweep on the lowest setting. We're also going in with some cereal. My children love to eat in front of the telly, and look at that. It has picked it up. You can see the grains of rice and the cereal. Now we're moving on to a different surface, and this is just the breakfast nook in the dining area. And as you can see, we have a couple of bits of food, plastic, vegetables. There's a lot. So in just one sweep, you can see how this vacuum is picking up all of these things. There's even a peel there for vitamins, and this is just changing the nozzle. This is the small brush attachment that also rotates 360 degrees. And look at this corner. I don't know if anyone is also struggling with this, but this nooks and cranny in our rug have been giving me issues, because that's the one place that my vacuum that I currently use cannot get to. And also we'll be using the nozzle for the corner piece, and just make sure that your pieces are lined together. Listen out for the click sound, and then it picks it up in one sweep. You guys, look at that. It is just amazing. I will also show you how to clean this in a bit. Also, to dislodge the canister, this is how you do it. Press on the two buttons, and that is it. All you have to do from here is to toss this in the bin, give it a good wipe down, and it is good to go for the next use. Also, I'll be showing you how to charge this in a bit, so stay tuned for that. So the last thing that I have to show you today is how to charge this vacuum cleaner. There are two ways to do it. If you live in a rental like me and you are not allowed, or you probably just don't want to drill holes into the walls, you can charge this in two separate ways. Now, if you are in your own apartment or you are allowed to drill holes, you can use this. This comes in the box as well, and all you have to do is to drill holes. It also comes with its own screws and just a pack for you to be able to drill 3 holes into the wall. You hang this on the wall at an angle 90. That way you'll be able to hang up your vacuum cleaner like so, and it stays there while it charges. Or you can simply dislodge the battery by pressing on these two buttons, this one here and this other one here. Remove this, and this just goes in here. So the suction power is amazing. I love the touch function. I also like the fact that it is cordless. So yes guys, this is an amazing gadget to have. I will leave the link to this particular brand and product in the description box, and this is an amazing product, no cap. And the pricing is also something that it's one of the selling points on this thing right now. So the link to this amazing product is on Amazon, and it will be in the description box. Check on it, click on it, purchase yours, and let's keep our homes clean with Proscenic. All right guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. Okay guys, so the shift just officially ended, and look at me. I'm still smiling. I'm still very happy. I'm still bubbly. I still have energy. I did not touch one pad. I did not even wear gloves throughout this shift. Hey guys, so we're replying to the gist. So I'm heading back to the train station to catch my train back. I will see you guys when I'm at the train station. All right, bye. So I'm at the train station now, and I just bought my ticket. Where's the machine? Over there. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the train basically, and I'm the only one on the platform. So the Lord help us. It's around, what's the time now? This is 16 minutes past 8. That's one thing I don't like about the UK. The times the buses close. No, wait, there's no two ways about it in this country.
A very limited service will operate on Thursday the 18th and Saturday the 20th.
Alright, so the thing right now is there's no way, but there's no two ways about it. Uncle, please, I'm talking. Don't interrupt me.
From Leeds to Skipton, Sheffield Line, Norfolk, and Bradford Square. These services will start.
Let me move away from the speaker. I'm on Tonto. So look at the time. Jesus Lord, Father Lord, Darlington, that's like 9 o'clock. Lord, I need a car. I need a car. Like, I can't even postpone it anymore. I need it. I need it ASAP. Today was my first day, by the way, you guys. Today was my first day shift. And I honestly can say that where you work matters. I know I've said it, that day shift is hard. But then I take it back, because there's really no shift that is even easy. Because even that night shift, you sleep, that will be your problem. But honestly, you guys, my first shift today was a breeze. Time went by so quickly. So quickly. So you guys, at this point, I was running low on battery and personal energy. But then I just had to see this video through. I will have a proper sit down with you to talk about the day's activity. But I was just in a rush to get home. Alright, just got off the train. The train is still there. But I'm on my way home. I don't even know where I'm going. Alright, so before I get home, there's one more quick stop at Aldi. I want to buy some snacks for the children to snack on tomorrow. This is the snack section. Just want to buy some biscuits for them.
Somebody's buying polo.